Soldering irons are of many types and ratings. But choosing the best soldering irons for electronic circuit boards work can be tricky and need some special attention. As a beginner, you may not know which brand is the best out there. What parameters to look for when picking up your solder? What type of tips should the solder have? What should the price range be? And perhaps a few other questions as well. There are many products available to choose the best soldering irons for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best soldering irons for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Weller SP40NK-US. The first best soldering iron for circuit boards is the Weller SP40NK-US. This iron is amazing and comes from the most reliable and trusted brand, Weller. Important features of this iron: it is rated for 40W, which is best for electronics. It comes with 2 types of tips, thus giving you the flexibility to work with any of them 3 front-end LEDs to light up the soldering spots. This feature is so impressive. You can use your solder in any dark situation without having an extra lighting system. Round hand holder, giving you the flexibility to adjust the tip at any angle depending on the situation. In a short summary, the Weller SP40NK-US is a go-to soldering iron for electronics. It is reliable and comes with a decent price tag. Number 2. Weller WE1010NA Digital Soldering Station. If you are a beginner and want to stick with a solo soldering iron, then the above solo iron is best for you. But if you are planning to work on various projects, then the best way to handle them is to invest in a good soldering station. A good soldering station will give you a lot of options, such as temperature control, safety features, overvoltage and current protection, ESD safety, reliability for long-term use, and much more. Alright, the soldering station that I personally like is the Weller WE1010NA. It is a simple station with a lot of great qualities. I think you will like it too. In a nutshell, the Weller WE1010NA is the best beginner soldering station. If you are serious and want a neat soldering output and want your end results to be satisfactory and beautiful, then you should definitely go for this guy. Number 3. Hakko FX888D23 by. Similarly, as I shared with the Weller brand, I am going to share the same here as well by introducing you to a Hakko soldering station. The reason is, I previously shared that Weller and Hakko are top brands when it comes to soldering tools and devices. This specific soldering station, the FX888D23BY, is one of my favorites. It is so easy to use, and the design is just lovely. If this amazing soldering iron has got your attention, for your own further investigation and research. Number 4. Sremch 80W Soldering Iron. The next soldering iron for electronics I have for you is from the Sremch brand. This soldering iron is rated for 80W, which is very good for quick heating up. But the best part is that it is a small set of all basic soldering tools a beginner would need for his projects. If you want to have a look at it yourself. The best part of this iron is that it comes with additional soldering tips with such a low price tag. Number 5. Arota Pro 25 liters. Let's talk about some rechargeable soldering irons for electronic circuit boards and repair work. I am sharing this so that you know that you also got these options as well. Alright, another best circuit soldering iron is from the Arota brand. Arota has been designing and manufacturing battery soldering irons and torches for global brands for over 30 years. This soldering iron from this brand comes in a kit form and has a well-organized box so that you can carry the iron anywhere you want. In a short summary, the Arota Pro 25L is one of the high-quality cordless soldering iron kits. With this you will not have only iron but a lot of other useful accessories as well. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.